comes with its own solution on there. That's what the cap is for too. Silly. Big dum-dum. Yeah, now that it rained a little, the area I was lying down on is kind of wet, so we're gonna put something down there. Yeah, this is the old one, all fouled up and beat up. Just comparing it to the new one. Got Bosch. Yeah, this looks like the right one. Same 4 pins. About the same freaking length. And if I'm not mistaken, there's like a little solution that I'm supposed to put on here to like stop it from seizing in there. If not, I got my own solution. Here we have, excuse me, that's my O2 sensor. Which one is that? It is the one after the cat. Yeah, it's post. Up there. And pre up there. Changing them one by one. I think you can get them mixed up. I believe the connectors are different. Yeah, that thing's done. Finito. Alright, let's see what the fuck we have here. The hell is this thing called? The exhaust clamp. That's what I need a new one of. Take a picture of it so I know what the fuck it look like. Yeah, here it is. Big crack down the middle. All rusted. It's actually pretty easy to come out. One of the bolts snapped. The other one came off pretty easily, and then I beat that thing with a hammer. Something to happen. I was honestly just driving it. Yeah, I got a lot of lights on my dashboard, right? True Volkswagen. But yeah, so I was just driving it, trying to make my O2 sensors, you know, re-registered since I put new ones in. And as I was going up on that side, a check engine light came on, and that shit better not be for the O2 sensors. That shit's just brand new. That thing's brand new, but I don't know. We're gonna check it when I get back home. I'm just trying to get back home. Kind of far from home right now. Driving pretty good. A lot of vibration, what you get when you lower your shit from polyurethane bushings and what's it not. I still got to put my axles in